Terraform by HashiCorp is the most widely used infrastructure as code solution, allowing users to model, configure, and maintain their infrastructure. And as you can see, there are a variety of providers supported. But defining your infrastructure as code using Terraform for AWS can now also be used to enable your threat modeling without the need to expend additional effort creating diagrams to represent what you've already defined within your code. Using the Open Threat Model standard, we allow users to map their AWS resources defined within Terraform and create an architectural diagram within the IirusRisk platform. There are two API endpoints defined. The first provides the ability to create a new IirusRisk project. And as the resources evolve, the second allows users to update the same project with any changes that have been made. So we're going to create a new threat model based on our AWS infrastructure as defined within a Terraform file. We're going to use Postman to run our API call. And there are a couple of requirements when creating our threat model. We need a name and we need a product ID. So they need to be unique within the namespace. We need a Terraform file, obviously. So here's one we prepared earlier. And in this case, we need a mapping file to bring in some new definitions that allow us to map certain content from our Terraform file into IirusRisk that isn't available by default at this moment. So the mapping file needs to be included as well. And these are the two files that we're looking at the moment. So this is our mapping file in YAML and our Terraform file that defines our infrastructure. And we simply send that. We get a response from Postman to indicate that the project's been created, and within IirusRisk we start to see a new project with our name and project ID, and once the model's updated, we'll be able to review the architectural diagram. Now that's finished, we can click into the diagram. So we get access to the project page, which indicates the overall risk of our project. Drill into the diagram, and we can see a rendering of the Terraform file. Some of the annotation is turned off, so we can turn this back on to see it by default, or we can hover over the objects and we get information about each of the objects. We can go through the threats, the countermeasures, and integrate those into our issue tracking systems to be able to enable our engineering team to include security requirements within their backlog and to prioritize alongside business requirements.